In this video, we are going to demonstrate the steps for changing your profile picture on the Threads app. If you're new to Threads, the Instagram companion app, and you're eager to give your profile a fresh look, you're in the right place. Whether you want to upload a new picture from your device or update your existing one, I'll show you how to do it with ease. Let's get started. Launch the Threads app and locate the profile button situated at the bottom right corner of the screen. Tap on it to proceed. Upon tapping the profile button, you'll find the Edit Profile option. Tap on this to make changes to your profile details. On the right side of the screen, you'll notice an empty image or placeholder. To add a new profile picture, simply tap the small plus button that's present. You have two options to choose from. Select a photo from your device's photo library or gallery. Import your existing Instagram profile picture directly. If you'd like to bring your Instagram profile picture to Threads, go ahead and choose the Import from Instagram option. This convenient choice saves you the hassle of going through your entire gallery. If you already have a profile picture on Threads, you can tap on it again to access additional options. You can either delete the current picture or opt for a new one from your device's library. After you've selected or imported your desired profile picture, don't forget to tap the Done button located at the top right corner of the screen. This action saves your modifications. You'll immediately see that your profile picture has been updated. It will now be displayed alongside any content you share on Threads. In case you encounter any doubts or queries while going through this process, feel free to ask your questions in the comments section below. Your satisfaction is our priority, and we're here to assist you every step of the way. In addition to that, don't forget to subscribe to this channel and hit the bell icon.